All right, we're here in Oakville at the Halton Police Station first annual car show. I'm going to start with this Pro Street Yenko SC Nova. It says it is. I don't know if it is or not. I wonder if there's an authentication plate anywhere. Sometimes there was. Don't see anything here. So, yes, it's a classic car and exotic car show. So there's not that many exotics. I mean, we could start with this. This is an SF90 Ferrari with yellow calipers, and I bet you it's got that pretty little motor. Yeah. That motor sits way down there. An SF90, does it say on the back? I think it is. Nice car. And of course it's the Rosa Red. Another nice little Nova. And there's my car, of course. We got Austin Healey, nice clean car. 911 Porsche. Z4 BMW. And a little Toyota Supra or BMW Supra. 07 Chevelle. It's a Ferrari, is that California? No, 512s. I don't know the names. Number 3, Lamborghini. I don't know what STO means, but I did notice Côte d'Azur Racing. I did notice on this car that they have it's Agrapovic. Bet you that thing's loud. It's a nice little Porsche. They're like almost the same color as my car. Looks similar, anyways. It's probably the color. And we got another. Looks like an SF satin black. Oh, but it's got a metallic in it. Very interesting paint. Little old 78, 79 RX-7 Falcon, Fairlane, Mustang, and then Oldsmobile Cutlass, and a GTX. So that's got to be a 440 car, brown. A lot like, looks a lot like David Freiberger, the car show, the Hot Wheels guy, Hot Rod guy. Yeah, it's a 6-barrel, so 446 pack. Got a 57 Chevy, nice Regal, and a Suzuki. All right, we got a, oh boy.
Yeah, but this car doesn't have it. No, it doesn't have it, so you have to...
The Turbo Trans Am, that was a disappointing engine combination, to say the least. Grand Sport convertible C7. What's this? What is that? Oh, this looks like I don't know, it's one of the Japanese. No, it's a Chinese electric car or something. No, what is it? I don't know what it is. 440 Coupe, 6-barrel, another 6-pack. A Mustang. Nice pickup truck. And that would be a 70 Z20. No, it's not a Z20. It doesn't say anyways. It could be. Gremlin. MGB GT. C6 Z06. With odd treatment on the headlights. Look at that, guys. Can you see? That's pretty cool. And a rear spoiler. And a pink Mustang. Little T-bucket. Bunch of Mustangs. I bet you this thing burns the tires. And 69 Mustang.
Guys, how are you today?
And 66 Mustang. 2+2. And Big Rock. Chevy Impala. This is a clean 67 SS Camaro. And then there's there's that Belvedere wagon with the 426 cross rim, yeah, I guess it's called. Big block Camaro. C5 Z06. And then a convertible. And okay, they tell me this is a real GT500 1968 from Legendary Motor Cars. It does look correct. The engine looks correct. And it is assuredly a real Shelby. Nice car. GT500. 67. I said 68. I apologize. It's incorrect, but yes. And we got Seawolf Gray Z06. This guy's got a lot, like 35,000 kilometers on that car already. I guess I'm slacking. I'm not even at 5,000 yet. 440 CUDA. Monterey. And what do we got here? A couple of Challengers with the shaker hood. Monte Carlo. C6 Corvette. C1 Corvette. Nice Thunderbird. And that would be 71, 72. And I've seen this. Oh yeah, that's our buddy's car here. Hectic Custom. Yeah, it looks like. Oh, that's LS. BMW M4, C6, C7 Z06. SRT Charger.
That's old.
1969 Corvette. What else? That's about it, really. I think we've just about covered the whole show. All right, guys. Yes, I think that's a 69. Yeah, it says, yeah, 69. Base Corvette, 350, 300 horse. Got some show cars. All right, guys, that's pretty much the whole show. It's not as big a turnout as I would have liked, but it's a nice show nonetheless. All right, guys. So, if you like my content, please subscribe. Really helps the channel. And come on back, because tomorrow is Cops and Robbers. Biggest show in Hamilton. And I think I might be starting to head to some U.S. car shows in the future, but we'll see what happens there. All right, guys. That's it for this one. Oh, a couple of nice Camaros showing up. Yeah, there's still cars pulling in. We'll catch you on the next show. Talk to you, guys.